See better in rainy foggy day. Equipped with 27 advanced LED chips to achieve 360 degrees illumination. The convex lens project the light farther and form a focused beam to ensure safe and comfortable visibility when driving. 10 minutes installation. Almost one-to-one compact design makes it become one of the closest size of halogen bulb in the market. Installing SEALIGHT H11 LED bulbs is just a breeze. Say goodbye to frequent replacement. Whole 6063 aviation aluminum body and built-in heat sink bring superior cooling capacity, to ensure a longer service life of 30,000 hours. Get one SEALIGHT fog lamp, equivalent to 150 halogen bulbs. Compatible with 98% vehicles. Compatible with H11, H8, H16. They can be used as fog lights or daytime running lights for your truck. Please refer to your vehicle's user manual or search for Car Bulb Finder to confirm the model. Widely used in various scenarios. IP67 waterproof, high-temperature anti-aging rubber ring keep sealing for your lighting system. It can work well in rainy, snowy or foggy days. Ensure you stay a better driving experience in bad weather. Top reviews from the United States. Best upgrade. These are plug-and-play H8 bulbs. I had a normal halogen fog light burned out and I like to upgrade all my lights to LED as I can. These worked perfect and bright? Yes, thank you.